Hello everyone, my name is Sher Shagwanshi and I am a second year undergraduate student pursuing my computer science degree from Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, Bhubaneswar. During my college life, I not only have good grades but I am also involved in a lot of extracurricular activities. I am the captain of my college badminton team and have been involved in the social work society and the debating society. The first project that I carried out was a driver telematic analysis for auto insurance design. The basic idea behind this project was to locate driver profile based on the attribute that we drew from the GPS coordinates. My second project was with collaboration of the MedTour Easy, where we were required to extract data for several companies from National Stock Exchange. We analyzed this data to study uptrends, downtrends, fluctuations in stock prices. I want to join this company because I feel this company would provide an excellent opportunity to learn and grow. I assure you, if I were given a chance, I would give my 100% to this company and will prove to be a great asset to your organization. If you want to know more about me, I would be waiting to hear from you. Thank you.